In this video, guys, I'll be sharing with you 10 websites where you can make up to $10 just referring people to register on these platforms. They don't have to pay for any subscription, they don't have to purchase anything. All they just have to do is register with this platform and you are going to get paid up to $10 for some of the platforms. So the first platform on the line is Constant Contact. Okay, so with Constant Contact, you get paid $5 for each referrer that signs up for a trial. Okay, so if you refer someone and the person comes through this your referral link, after you create your affiliate account, you pick your referral link and you promote it. Okay, anybody that comes to this free trial and signs up for the free trial, you're going to get paid $5 for that. So, and if the person at the end of the day ends up signing up for their any of their packages, then you're gonna get paid $105. Okay, so if the person you referred exhausts their trial period, maybe for a month, and they want to continue working with the platform and they pay for the next subscription, then you're gonna get $100 for each person that does that. So, and the next in line is plural sites. So with plural sites, you're gonna get paid $5 also for free trial. So if anybody subscribes, goes to your affiliate link and sign up for a free trial on the platform, a free account on the platform, then you're gonna get paid $5 also for this. And if the person goes on to purchase a monthly subscription, then you're gonna get paid 50% of their subscription cost. Okay, so then annually, if the person subscribes an annual subscription, they're gonna get paid 15%. Okay, but the most important thing is that if you get anybody to even just sign up for this platform, they are gonna get paid $5 just for that. Okay, so if you can get, for instance, you get 100 people to sign up for this website and they're giving me $5, that's $500. Okay, just for directing people to come and register for a free account on this platform. Okay, so the next in line is LinkedIn Learning. Okay, so LinkedIn Learning is like another side of LinkedIn where people can learn new skills and all that. Okay, so with this you get a one-time 10 sign-ups or 35% of the sale from a standalone individual course purchase. Okay, so if someone just comes to your affiliate link and register for LinkedIn Learning, and you are gonna get paid $10 for that person. Okay, so if the person has not even purchased anything, they have not purchased any courses, nothing, just you referring the person to LinkedIn Learning and the person creates an account with them, they are gonna get paid $10 for that. Okay, these are not easy money. Okay, it can't get any easier than this. Just refer someone to a platform, the person signs up and they pay you $10. So imagine you register 100 people, that's $1,000 for that. Okay, and if you promote this enough, you can get this $1,000 in a day. So the next in line is, and the sweet thing about this is also they have a 30 days tracking cookie. Okay, so which means if the person clicks your affiliate link, okay, on their device, phone, laptop or desktop, and they come back to register on the platform within the next 30 days, they are still going to get paid this commission. Okay, so the person just didn't have to register instantly with LinkedIn Learning. Even if it's after 30 days, within 30 days, okay, within 30 days, not after, within 30 days period, if the person comes back to register on the LinkedIn Learning, even if it doesn't come through your affiliate link, their system automatically saves that person's system as coming from your affiliate link. So anytime the person comes back, they are still going to pay you the $10. So the next on the line is audiobook. Okay, so this is a platform where you can listen to books, okay, in speech format. Okay, so with this platform, gold, they have different packages. So you have gold. If you sign up 500 people just to sign up per month, then you're gonna get paid $25 for that. If you get 250 people to sign up, you're gonna get paid $18. And basic, I think this is a free sign up. If someone signs up for free, they're gonna get paid $15. Okay, so these are easy ways you can make money online. If you're looking for easy ways to make money online, then you can check any of these websites out, or you can actually register for all of them, and it increases your chances of making more money. So with audiobooks, this is how you get paid. 500 people, you get $25. Silver package, 250 people, you get $18. Then the basic, you get $18, sorry, and the basic you get $15. Okay, so the next on the line is FreshBooks. Okay, so with FreshBooks, you also earn $10 per free trial. Okay, so if you refer someone, just like the other ones, if you refer someone to come to the platform and the person signs up for free trial, doesn't have to buy anything, you're gonna get paid $10 for that. And if the person ends up purchasing their subscription, then you're gonna get paid $200. So imagine you send 100 people, and in that 100 people, like 2-3 people actually sign up and pay for their subscription, they are gonna get paid $200. Because the interesting thing is that most people that will actually sign up genuinely through your affiliate link, it actually means they are interested in the product you are promoting, and at the end of the day, they are still gonna go ahead and subscribe to the packages. So at the end of the day, you are still going to make more than $10 with this package, with these platforms, except you are promoting this anyways to your friends and family, which they will just register with the platform just because you are sharing it with them. Okay, so you may get paid $10 for those sign-ups, but if you're actually promoting this, then you stand higher chances of getting paid this $200 instead of the $10. Okay, so then they have extended cookie life. So get awarded for any visitor who clicks your affiliate links and begins a trial within 120 days. Okay, so you see this is even more than 30 days. Okay, this is up to like I think up to 4 months or so. Okay, after the person clicks your affiliate link. So if the person still comes back after like 3 months to subscribe to their package, maybe the person ends up seeing their ad and is more interested in that and clicks it, then you are still going to get paid at the end of the day, because your affiliate link is already stored in their cookie system, that okay, this person already came to our platform through this person's affiliate link, so you are still going to get the commission at the end of the day. Okay, so the next one is Buildium. Okay, so with Buildium you get paid with Buildium you will get paid for qualified leads. Okay, plus you will, so this one they are not specifying how much they are paying you for the leads you bring to the platform. Okay, they're not specifying, so but you're still going to get paid something, so probably maybe $5, okay, for referring a lead to their platform and the person registers with for their free trial. Then plus you will earn 25% in commission for each monthly subscription that comes from your website, with monthly plans at $150 per month. Okay, $50 per month. So you get if someone purchases $150 package, then you're gonna get 25% of that. Okay, so you can also try out Buildium. Okay, so then the next one is SEMrush. Okay, so SEMrush is gonna pay you, they're saying, so they also have a cookie period of 120 days. Okay, so which is amazing. That's at 4 months. Okay, so if the person comes back within that period of time and still registers on the same device, then they are still going to get your commission. So here they're saying earn $200 for every new subscription sale. Imagine, so if you bring someone and the person registers on SEMrush and purchases a package with them, then you are going to earn $200 for every new subscription. Is that not amazing? Every new subscription. So that you see, it's limitless. So but for every new lead, then $10 for every new lead. Okay, so if you bring someone, the person signs up and register with their free trial, okay, you're gonna get paid $10. then and you also get 1 cent for new sign up. So if the person just creates an account with this platform, you're gonna get paid 1 cent. It's low, but if this is if this adds up, let's say for instance you refer 1,000 people to them and they're paying you 1 cent, then this is $10, okay, for 1,000 people, okay. And this is something that you can just create a content around this, upload it on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and once anybody signs up through your link, even if the person does not want to sign up for their free trial or whatever, you're still gonna get paid 1 cent, okay. So this is something that can add up over time, within a year. Even if you don't come back to check it, and maybe at the end of the day you come to check it, you might have had a lot of people register through your link, and you can just cash out $100, $50, something. The more sources of income you have, the more chances you have of breaking out of the financial or out of the rat race, okay. So financial freedom is key, guys. You have to do everything possible, everything legally possible to make this money, okay. So here the next one is Grammarly. Okay, so I think almost everybody knows of Grammarly. Is a platform where you use to edit your writing. If you write a book, you can come here and do your editing, your plagiarism check, your proofreading, okay. So a lot of people use Grammarly, okay, and they promote this platform a lot. So they've actually done majority of the work for you, okay. So if like let me say 40% of people that will come across your content on Grammarly will have heard about Grammarly, okay, and they probably having plans to register for them with it. So but Grammarly is paying you 20 cents for sign up, free sign up, okay. So if someone just, let's say for instance this is your affiliate link, and I just come through this affiliate link and I sign up with Grammarly, they're gonna pay you 20 cents. So imagine you have, like, I'm doing this math so that I can know the possibility with this thing. So let's say they're paying you 20 cents, right? 20 cents, and let's say for instance 50 people come to register with, okay, let's say 500 people register with you within, let's say, 2 months, okay, with your link, okay. This is $100 that you're getting, okay, and you probably have a lot of other things that you are doing to make money. This is just one of them, and this thing is you set it up, create content around it, post it online, and leave it. It keeps generating income for you. People keep saying it, and they keep registering, and you keep making money. It's not something that you do and keep coming back to redo and redo it again all over again. No, you do it once. So that is what you call passive income, okay. You do it once and you leave it alone, and it keeps generating money for you every single month, okay. So all you need to do is just find a way to promote this product, and there are plenty ways you can promote. You can create a video content around this and upload it on platform like TikTok, on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You can create a blog and have a content about maybe a Grammarly review, okay, and you see a lot of people coming through your link to create an account with Grammarly, and you don't even have to pay for anything yet, and you get paid 20 cents. And if the person subscribe for their premium plan, then you're gonna get $20, okay. And as I've said before, a lot of people that go through your link, they're actually wanting to use the service, so they will still end up purchasing a plan. So and you're still going to end up getting this $20 also, okay. So imagine the person signs up for free, you get 20 cents. The person ends up purchasing a plan and you still get $20, okay. That's $20, 20.2, okay. That's $20.20, okay. So the next one is Ginger software, okay. So with Ginger software you get paid 0.5 cents, okay. You get paid 5 cents for every free registration, okay. Then if someone subscribes to that package, you get paid $20, okay. So these are very easy ways to make money online. All you just need to do is find a way to create content on this, and the great amazing thing is that you can actually search online and you see content that people have created around all this, okay, and you replicate it in your own way. Don't do copy and paste. You replicate it in your own way, then post it online, There's nothing new under the sun. Okay, there's nothing you want to do online, I can guarantee you, that someone has not done, except you are inventing something extraordinary that has not been done before. Okay, which I don't even really think is possible, because if you are going to take the element of things that you are creating that is new, you see elements of it in other products also. Okay, so at the end of the day, there's nothing new under the sun. Okay, so and you see most of these platforms, they have a 120 days cookie window. Okay, so within 4 months, if the person still comes back, you still get paid your commission. Okay, so the person doesn't even have to register instantly. Okay, all right guys, so these are the platforms, and you can make amazing money with this platform if you dedicate your time to it. Okay, don't be lazy. If you are lazy, then you are not going to make anything. Okay, that's why I have not made any money yet, because you are lazy. You keep watching videos on how to do all these things, but you don't take action on any of them. You just watch them and you're just excited for the moment, and after that period you are gone, then that's it. You don't do anything about it, or you start halfway and you drop it. People that make money, they work their ass out to make that money. Okay, all you just see is the flashy part of everything, the end product. That's what you see, but you don't actually see the work that they put into it to create amazing product for people to purchase. All you just see is the end product. Okay, for instance, let's look at, if you look at all these fintech apps that are seen out there, the work that goes into all those things, but at the end of the day, if you hear how much these guys are making with these things, yeah, you get amazed, excited, but can you actually do the work? Okay, so it's left to you guys to register with this platform, and there's nothing difficult in doing all this. All you just need to do is go to, I'm going to drop the link to all these platforms, okay, in the description below. Okay, you just need to do, just click on it. You don't have to start searching for it yourself. Just go to the description, click on it, and register. Create an account, an affiliate account with them. Take your affiliate account and your affiliate link, find a way to promote it, and start making money. Okay, the moment you start making money, other avenues will start opening up, because you have more money to invest in other things. Okay, but without money to invest, you're just going to be stuck in one place. All right guys, so thank you for watching this video, and if you have gotten any value from this video, I would love it for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell, so you get notified whenever I post amazing videos like this. Okay, and give this video a thumbs up, so that YouTube can recommend this video to other people that also need it like you. Okay, and drop the comments. I will respond to your questions. If you have any questions about all this, drop the comment in the comment section below, and I'll try my possible best to respond to you and give you the best answers to your questions. Okay, alright guys, thank you for watching this video once again, and do have a lovely day, and keep winning guys, keep winning.